Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate SOA with hyperlinked voucher numbers in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successfully logging in, this is what our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the Accounts module and click the AR menu. Under the AR, choose the AR Outstanding Details menu. Select the respective SOA, client party and click the Submit button. Once submitted, go to the Report section. Select the Statement of Accounts Jasper Format 1. Using the Download option, we can download the hyperlinked invoice and credit note SOA PDF report. All invoices and credit notes will appear as hyperlinks in the downloaded file. By clicking on the respective link, you will be redirected to the corresponding report page. This allows you to view the complete details in voucher-wise. These are the steps to generate SOA with hyperlinked voucher numbers in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.